In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the front brake caliper for the Dodge Ram 1500. The brake pad retaining clips, the front brake caliper assembly. When installing the new caliper, make sure the bleeder screw is pointing upward. The following are the tools used for replacing the front brake caliper: medium 11mm short socket, medium 13mm short socket, medium 15mm short socket, large 21mm short socket, large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, 11mm wrench, 17mm wrench, large electric impact wrench, medium ratcheting wrench, medium torque wrench, large torque wrench, large extendable ratcheting wrench. Using the lint-free cloths to wipe during removing. Use a drain pan to catch fluid during removing. Open the hood. Remove the brake fluid reservoir cap. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large extendable ratcheting wrench, loose the front wheel lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large electric impact wrench, remove the front wheel lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Place the drain pan underneath to catch brake fluid that may drip when removing the front caliper. Using the medium 15mm short socket with the medium ratcheting wrench, remove the brake hose retaining bolt from the caliper. Remove the hose and bolt. Set them aside. Using the medium 13mm short socket with the medium ratcheting wrench, remove the front caliper retaining bolts. Remove the brake caliper. Remove the brake pads. Using the large 21mm short socket with the large electric impact wrench, remove the caliper bracket retaining bolts. Remove the caliper bracket. Before installation, we need to separate the new caliper. Using the medium 13mm short socket with the medium ratcheting wrench, remove the caliper retaining bolts. Here's the comparison of old versus new front caliper assembly. Before installation, install the new brake pad retaining clips onto the brake pads. Remove the old clips. Install the new caliper bracket. Install the retaining bolts. Using the large 21mm short socket with the large electric impact wrench, tighten the caliper bracket retaining bolts. Using the large 21mm short socket with the large torque wrench, torque the caliper bracket retaining bolts. Torque specific, 176 Nm, 130 foot-pounds. When installing the brake pads, check the wear level to determine whether it needs to be replaced. Install the new caliper. Install the retaining bolts. Using the 17mm wrench, medium 13mm short socket, and medium torque wrench, torque the caliper retaining bolts. Torque specific, 33 Nm, 24 foot-pounds. Remove the new banjo bolt and washers. Make sure there are 2 washers. Remove the old bolt and washers from the hose. Use a lint-free cloth to clean the hose. Install the washers on both sides of the hose fitting and install the banjo bolt. Align the holes and install it. Using the medium 11mm short socket with the medium torque wrench, torque the retaining bolt. Torque specific, 27 Newton meters, 20 foot-pounds. Install the front brake caliper assembly on the opposite side as the same process and torque specific. After replacing it, well, bleed the brake system. Bleeding order is left front, left rear, and right rear. Bleeding can be done manually or with a brake fluid exchange machine. Remove the rubber dust cap. Using the 11mm wrench, loosen the bleeder screw. During bleeding, check the brake fluid for any air bubbles. If there are bubbles, continue bleeding. Once the fluid runs clear, bleeding is complete. After bleeding, tighten the bleeder screw and reinstall the rubber dust cap. During bleeding, if any brake fluid drips onto the caliper or surrounding components, clean it off with water. After bleeding the brake system, pump the brake pedal repeatedly to reset the pistons and brake system and check for any remaining air. Remove the drain pan. Install the front wheel. Install the lug nuts. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large electric impact wrench, snug the front wheel lug nut. After bleeding the brake system, add the brake fluid to near the max line. Reinstall the brake fluid reservoir cap. Close the hood. Lower the vehicle. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large torque wrench, torque the front wheel lug nuts. Torque specific, 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds.